Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple hidden secret bookshelf door. This hidden bookshelf door uses the new Chiseled Bookshelves. To get started, all you have to do is pick out an area where you want your door. Since Chiseled Bookshelves can't move with pistons, you're going to have to use the regular bookshelves as well. Place in 2 regular bookshelves where you want your door to be. Then create a wall of bookshelves and Chiseled Bookshelves, like so. Then you're going to have to pick a side where you want to build the activation from. You can build it on right or left. I'm going to pick left. From your door, you're going to want to leave 2 spaces and place a chiseled bookshelf. Come around the back and place a comparator coming out of it. Place 2 building blocks, like so. 1 block here and 1 block here. Redstone Dust, here, 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 and here. A Redstone Torch. Now since your door's going here, break up these 2 blocks. Place 6 Sticky Pistons, like so. Place in 2 bookshelves, that will be your door. Place in a 2x3 platform, like so. Then drop down here and fill in these 4 blocks. Redstone Dust, Redstone Dust. A repeater set to 2 ticks, and 2 Redstone Dust. This will activate your door, and that's you completely done. Just grab your books and fill in all the chiseled bookshelves. And you'll notice that this chiseled bookshelf is our activation. To open the door, pick up and place the bottom right book. This will open the door. And then to close the door, pick up and place the top left book. I'd recommend using the top left and top right to open and close the door. And if you want to close your door behind you, you can just place a lever here. This will lock your door, and then whenever you want to leave, you just flip the lever again. When you have this lever flipped, no one can enter your secret base. The books do nothing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.